Okay. He now carries the pride, culture, and strength of Bataan. Let's hear from this newly sashed Mr. Bataan 2026 candidate. Please introduce yourself.
Hello po, good evening. My name is John Patrick Regueño, 19 years old, from Reformista Limay, Bataan.
Okay. What value do you stand for as a Bataeño?
What value?
What value do you stand for as a Bataeño?
The value of being a man. You can see here, with I don't wear the official shirt, but it said that valor. Valor, Mr. Bataan. It means pride and honor, and being a what do you call this? Being a real man. I value being a good role model as also as a good citizen of a community.
Wow, very well said. So, how do you represent the modern Filipino man?
How do I represent the modern Filipino? We all know that time is going really fast, and we should adapt. And as a Filipino man, as a modern Filipino man, I want to influence other young generation to full what do you call this? Abutin niyo po yung pangarap niyo, kumbaga reach your dreams no matter what, just be yourself, and keep persistent, and have a motivation in your life.
Wow, that's good to know. So, paano mo ilalarawan ang isang puwarang Bataeño?
Okay po. As a candidate of Mr. Bataan 2026 po, I will describe a Bataeño person or man as a what do you call this? Flexible, marunong po tayong makisama at makihalubilo sa anumang klase ng race or lahi po. And also, I will describe Bataeño as being helpful, being what do you call this? Being matulungin and persistent.
Wow, very well said. So please invite the viewers to follow your social media account. Follow my social media, John Patrick Regueño, and also my IG account, which is jeps.art. Okay, invite them on your coronation night.
Support us in March, first week of March, which is we will compete the Mr. Bataan 2026.
Okay, again, good
Thank
luck.
you po.